Get it, auntie. Get it, auntie. Get it, auntie. Get it, auntie.
This for the aunties around the world. The day your day, you get it, girl.
Get it, auntie.
Hey y'all, hey nieces and nephews. We're gonna get our hair done today. Auntie Jay, that's what the episode is about today. We're gonna get rid of this and we're gonna be fabulous. And my niece is gonna do it.
Me.
So yeah, y'all tune in. Just give me a minute. Okay, nieces and nephews. We have a wig.
You gonna tell them where you got it from?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's a 16-inch. But I did get it from off OBT in Michigan. It's the hairstyle on the corner. I didn't want to say because I don't know the actual name, but it's next to the Chinese store. Like the Chinese restaurant. Okay? This is the wig. This is a 16-inch. I got it from Shein. So I'm going to do that. And we are looking for this style. We're looking for that. That is what's Niecy is gonna do for Auntie, okay? But y'all know if the wig don't work out, we're gonna go to the ponytail. Swing your hair back and forth, girl, back and forth. I might use ponytail anyways, but I don't think.
Okay, it's definitely giving, like, it's not synthetic, fully synthetic, but it's definitely a mix, and it's soft. This is what the inside looks like. And then I think it's versatile because the back has this part, so we can probably try to put it up in a ponytail as long as we cut that lace part off. It has, ooh, I didn't even see this, so it will be like really secure.
Yep.
This is good. This is really good. Okay, period. Let's get started. Let me grab that chip.
You got 2 braids. We're moving on to phase 2 in this process, okay? Yeah, I'm taking some hair a little bit. I can braid that thing out. Get into it, y'all. I have not had a wig before. I've had bundles and sew-ins, but never a wig yet. So let's get into Auntie's first wig for the MK weekend. Yeah, and the other Auntie don't want to have my lashes put together, but we're going to excuse her this weekend. We're going to excuse her. Clock that tea. She don't want to do my lashes. Clock that tea.
You want my mom to do your lashes?
Your mama always do my lashes.
You willing, girl. Want you to know that I'm willing to. And where you want me to go, girl, I'll be willing to go there for you. If you want me to take my time, I'll be willing to spend the night. All you gotta say is please stay, baby. I'll be staying as long as you're staying. Oh, let me cater to you, babe. Oh, baby, this is your day. Do anything for my baby. Yo, you blow me away. And after that, it's more and more. Tonight, babe, you'll be my dinner, my dessert, and so much.
December 2027. So 9 years?
What?
I mean, this. What?
What? Look at those eyes. I thought I was in the. Jason! Hey, before you delete that, let me see that. Let me see Cause you don't see you don't see you, but you see me. I'll put that in there. Girl, I felt fucked up. Cause you was like, oh, 2027, I'm like, girl, I felt like something wrong with you.
Y'all, wait. Whoo!
Girl,
Jay, you like
shut up, Jay, cause I had to realize what we in now. And did she really just say 27? Did she just say 27? Girl, I know my face had been fucked up. Shut up, Jay. Shut up. Jay! Shut up! Cause I felt it. I'm crying. I felt it.
you literally had an internal like thought to yourself.
Because I'm like, is she fucked up?
You literally, the way your face, you literally sat and thought was like, wait, did I just hear that? Am I tripping? Am I high?
Girl, I felt it. Oh my God.
What?
I felt myself do like a, am I fucked up?
Yes!
I need you something to drink, girl. Y'all, it's finna be fabulous for MK. Like, Auntie finna be pulling them in with the gray beard, you know what I'm saying? And if y'all, hey, when y'all watch this and y'all see them, yeah, tell them to holler at your girl. I'm no time, got no underscore time on Instagram. Tell the gray hair men to come holler at Auntie. Auntie is single. Okay? Especially this ponytail, you know what I'm saying? Tell her to come holler.
No one called.
Okay. Auntie need to get a date. Okay, y'all. Nieces and nephews. Never. Nieces and nephews, this is the ending result. Yes. Niece ate down. We did this. Me and this one. Yeah. Yeah. Until next time, gotta get a new wig. Y'all please subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me how we did. Put some what you call those things? Like, you know, just let me know what's going on. Bye.
Get it, auntie. 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 Get it, auntie.